Welcome to our channel, Taste of Mountain. Friends, today we are going to make a very special dish, tandoori chicken. So, let's begin by preparing the chicken thigh pieces. Now, carefully make small cuts on the chicken pieces so the spices can penetrate well. These two thigh pieces will weigh approximately 600 grams. Hey friends! You can now watch our video in 5 different language subtitles: English, Hindi, Bangla, Nepali, and Urdu. Pick your favorite and enjoy. Just head to the subtitle settings and set it up in a flash. Now it's time for our first marination. For this, we need 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, a half teaspoon green chili paste, and a half teaspoon salt. Additionally, we'll add some lemon juice for freshness. Mix all the ingredients well and marinate the chicken thoroughly. Now, cover it and refrigerate for at least half an hour. Remember, this time allows the spices to infuse into the chicken, making the flavor even better. Next, we'll move on to the second marination. Take half a cup of mustard oil in a bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, which will give it a vibrant color and a mild sweetness. Add 1 tablespoon roasted gram flour. You can also use roasted chickpea flour, a half teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon chaat masala, a half tablespoon coriander powder, and a half teaspoon cumin paste. Add a pinch of cardamom powder, a half tablespoon salt, and a half teaspoon black salt. Also, add some roasted kasuri methi and 2 tablespoons ghee, which will give it a wonderful aroma. Finally, mix in 3 to 4 tablespoons of strained yogurt. Combine all the spices well. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, Taste of Mountain, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. And marinate the chicken once again. Hey friends! You can now watch our video in 5 different language subtitles: English, Hindi, Bangla, Nepali, and Urdu. Pick your favorite and enjoy. Just head to the subtitle settings and set it up in a flash. Now refrigerate it for 2 hours, or if you have time, leave it overnight. Trust me, by the next morning, your chicken will be tender, juicy, and packed with flavors. In a large pan, add 3 tablespoons of ghee and a large chunk of butter. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, Taste of Mountain, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. Once the butter melts, add the marinated chicken and cook on high heat. After a while, reduce the heat to medium so the chicken doesn't burn, and flip the pieces every 3 to 4 minutes. the chicken until it becomes golden brown and crispy. If the spices turn black, don't worry, that's part of the tandoori look. When the chicken is cooked in a tandoor, the spices often fall into the tandoor, creating a unique aroma. If the spices stick to the pan and blacken, remove them and continue cooking the chicken on low heat to ensure it's cooked through. Occasionally brush some melted ghee or butter on the chicken to keep it juicy. Hey friends! You can now watch our video in 5 different language subtitles: English, Hindi, Bangla, Nepali, and Urdu. Pick your favorite and enjoy. Just head to the subtitle settings and set it up in a flash. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. Once the chicken is cooked through, we will give it a tandoori flavor. Place a burning piece of charcoal in a small bowl, pour a little ghee over it, and cover it with the chicken for 10 minutes. This smoky flavor will make your chicken restaurant style. And there you have it, friends, our delicious tandoori chicken is ready to serve with green chutney and onions. Can you feel the taste? So, make it quickly and enjoy it with your family.